teaching a live online gelatin printing kit using these kits from Jelly Arts. All of the students I've asked to have this kit. You can see it comes in a little box, just like so. And inside is some punchinella, which is great for doing all kinds of stencil marks and mask marks. There is some hairy yarn, which you can have a lot of fun with dragging through the paint. There is a brayer, and this is a nice 4-inch wide brayer, so that's going to be absolutely fantastic. There are your 3 primary colors of paint, which is really all that you need to get started. And then there are these little foam sheets, which you can use a ballpoint pen or anything else to sort of draw into, and they become printing plates. And then last, but certainly not least, at the bottom, this is your gelatin plate. This is a nice size plate. I think this is a 5x5 plate, so that's a nice good size plate. And then at the very bottom, so I guess that wasn't last but least, there's a little bit of paper for you to go ahead and print with, along with some instructions on how the people from Jelly Arts intend for you to use it. So I probably will not pay attention to that at all, but I will be sure to share the prints that I make in the class that I'm teaching. So here are some of the prints that I made using this kit. You can see that the palette's very limited because it is just, I think this one's my favorite, by the way. It's just red, white, and blue. And the problem is, without any white paint, it's really hard to do some serious layering because things get very dark very quickly. So I'm going to finish showing you what I made here. Oh, that's just a blank piece of paper. But I thought I would take some white paint. That's the only thing I'm going to add is a little white paint, add a couple more layers, and just make these prints shine. Oh, wait, there's a couple more prints over here I forgot to show. This one, and this one. Okay, white paint coming. So here's a look at my prints now that I had some white paint to play with, which meant I was able to create some opaque layers. If you're interested in learning more about gelatin printing, you can find tons of stuff on the internet. I'm also teaching a year-long gelatin printing course in 2021. So you can get on the info list about that, or if you're watching this later in 2021, you can go ahead and sign right up. But it's amazing what a little bit of white paint will do to allow you to add and create layers of all kinds. So pretty cool. I think the one that's my favorite is probably somewhere back here. I think it's this one. There's something so striking about it. I think I might just frame this little guy, hang him right on my wall.
Proceed to get it cracking, bang, and you can do the same thing. Get it in. That's time for you to enter. Follow chapter boys to the city of the king, where you show you different things like how to be a winner. Winner.